Alright, what's going on, guys? Sports and Hype here, and I've got in a few packages. Ordered some stuff on eBay over the past week or so, and finally got a few packages in. Got 4 packages here I want to go over with you. Show you what I've got. First one, I'm not sure which is. I've ordered several things, so I'm not sure what's what here, so we'll just go over it as we go through it. So that one's double packed. That's packed pretty good. You know, it's interesting to see how different eBay sellers do their packaging. So far, everything I've got seems to be pretty well packed. Can't complain about anything. First lot here is Calvin Ridley, a rookie card lot. If I'm not mistaken, this is 8, should be 8 rookie cards. Got them all sleeved up. So we got 4 Calvin Ridley Prism rookies. Number 209. And we've also got 4 Calvin Ridley Prism. Number 11-9. Now the reason I ordered this lot was actually for these 4 here. These 4 is why I bought the lot. They're only going for about $3 a piece on these. I got the whole lot for $10. I feel like Calvin Ridley is very underrated for what they're selling for. If you play fantasy at all, you know you can get Calvin Ridley in the 4th, sometime 5th round compared to Julio Jones in the 1st or 2nd round. I think that translates over from fantasy to sports cards, you know, the value. A little undervalued in both places there. I think once the season starts, I see no reason why these shouldn't be bringing at least $5 a piece just for these alone. And I'm not sure the value on these. These are just kind of thrown in as far as I'm concerned. Pretty good lot. Proud of that lot. Now the next one is packed pretty well. A little bubble wrapped pack. Another Calvin Ridley. Now this one is a PSA 10. The Prism 2018 Calvin Ridley PSA 10. Now this one goes for, the lowest buy it now on eBay is around $40, and they've been selling anywhere from $25 to $35. I gave $26 for this one. I feel like once the season gets here, you know, easily a $40 card, make money on that. And the reason I'm getting them in both PSA graded and the ungraded form is because everybody can't afford a PSA card. So, whereas if this one goes up to a $40, $50 card, someone still may not be able to afford that, but be able to give, you know, $5, $6, $7 for one of his base cards. I think you can't lose with either route you go. Like them both. Next up, okay, this, I ordered 2 lots from the same seller. One is a lot of 10 Christian McCaffrey Donruss rated rookie cards. And the other one is the same year, I think it's 2017, 10 of the Deshaun Watson rated rookie cards. Now the Christian McCaffrey, these sell individually for about $8 a piece all day on eBay. I gave $50 for the lot of 10, so $5 a piece. And the Deshaun Watson, if you look at eBay sales, these sell anywhere from anywhere from $7 to $12, and I gave $60 for the 10 card lot. I feel like once the season gets underway, granted, you know, they got to do what they done last year, as long as they keep their stats up. The Deshaun Watson got $6 a card in. Should bring $10 a card, I would think, since they're bringing 7 to 12 now, according to what day, according to what time the listing goes off. And these all look pretty good. Real good. Set that to the side. Look at the Christian McCaffrey's real quick. Like I say, I've been buying PSA and the non-graded versions because each one's going to appeal to somebody different. Not everybody's going to want the same thing. For the most part, these look pretty good too. Let's say $5 a piece on them. Season comes, wait till about week 3 or 4. These could easily be a $15 card, if not more. Let's get them secured back in there. And the one other package I've got, I'm not sure what this is. Packed it well. And a bubble wrap. But I don't know what this is. Okay, yeah. So, one thing I done this week was, and something I had not really known about or heard of, was a team set box break. So what it was, a seller on Instagram opened a box of 2019 Select and sold, I think, 8 slots for $60 a slot. And with your slot, you randomly got 4 teams. And whatever cards come out of that box, if it was on your team, you got the card. I'm sure you've heard of them. So my teams was the Raiders, the Lions, the Chargers, and the Patriots. And first card pulled out was this Josh Jacobs rookie card. Not too bad. Number 5 in the set. And after that, I got a Detroit Lion player, old Matthew Stafford. Just a base card. Worth probably $1. Not worth a whole lot. And I got Keenan Allen from the Chargers. Here's my Chargers card. Looks like a refractor. Good looking card. And I also got from the Patriots some very good cards. I got a Tom Brady base card. Number 101 in the set. I ended up getting a Jared Stidham patch card, numbered 15 of 75. That was nice. I got a N'Keal Harry rookie card. It's just a base rookie card, Patriots. I got a Jamie Collins autograph card. I think this one's numbered 53 of 75. And I got a Jacoby Myers rookie autograph patch card. And it's numbered of 75, 50 of 75. So overall, for my $60 that I paid, not a bad deal. Some of the slots wasn't as fortunate. I think a couple was even better. It's the first time I'd done a pack break, box break of team where you get 4 random teams. That was new to me, but I enjoyed it. It was something different. The person on Instagram was, I believe, Supreme10_10. I know he's been selling Supreme, and he's recently got into selling sports cards and doing box breaks and pack breaks, and it's a legit seller if you want to check him out. But it was fun. I'll probably do it again. But that kind of wraps up what I've got in mail so far. I've got several other things ordered, and they should be in within a few days, and when they come in, I will jump back on here with another video. So I'll see you soon, and until then, just stay hype.